morning. I, Lavanya, welcome you all to the Children's Day program of our school. Coronavirus pandemic has led to the unprecedented panic across the world. Nothing lost forever, not even the coronavirus. So stay home, stay safe and fight hard. You know why this day is so special for us? Yes, today is Children's Day. We have brought a host of the entertaining and exciting program for all of you. Now we'll have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Let the truth prevail and the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization. Now I request our Honorable Principal, Mr. Manjunath N, to lighten the lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते.
Thank you, sir. Prayer should spring from the heart. Over to Miss Siri for the musical ecstasy.
महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटिप्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि.
Wow. Thank you, Siri.
I request Mrs. Vijaya C to welcome the gathering.
Good morning, one and all. Respected principal, parents, teachers, and my dear students. I take this wonderful opportunity to welcome you all on this occasion of Children's Day. First of all, I welcome our beloved principal, Mr. Manjunath N, to this function. Welcome you, sir. I welcome our adorable students to this program which we have arranged to satisfy you and please you. Welcome you all, dear children. Last but not least, I welcome all the parents and my dear colleagues to this function. With this, I conclude my speech and wish you a very, very happy Children's Day.
Thank you, ma'am. We, all the teachers of Jain Public School Chintamani, have planned for a special gift for you. Are you all excited for this? But you need to wait for a little to know what it is. Children have proved their talent in all the streams, and to appreciate them is our duty. Here are some glimpses of our children who exhibited their talent.
Don't spread germs. Stay away from coronavirus. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೊರೋನಾದಿಂದ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. House surroundings, entire country clean. I am a sanitizer. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Hello, hello, mango. Hello, hello, mango. I am from China. I am a farmer. Children are the future of our nation. I am Giuseppe Bharata Mate. Teacher is a God gift for every student. Nehru, Chacha, Chandrasekhar Azad,
Now I request our Honorable Principal, Mr. Manjunath N, to step upon the floor and take in hand the audience.
So good morning dear children, happy Children's Day to all the loving students of Jain Public School Chitra. I pray that the Almighty keep you in peace, happiness and joy. On this special day, as your principal, I extend my heartfelt love for you. I wish you all success in the days to come along with the leading teachers and JJ team. We shall soon reunite once the school reopens and celebrate this day. May the Almighty God help us during these tough days and stop the spread this virus. Happy Children's Day once again for all the children. Thank you.
And thank you, sir. Please welcome our grade 10 students to show their dance skills and set the stage on fire. Thank you, children, for your marvelous dance. Next, I would like to call upon Mrs. Yasmin Banucci, Mr. Akram Pasha KM, and Mrs. Balkish R to step upon the floor and take in hand the audience.
Respected principal, parents, colleagues, and my dear children, we have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವರೂಪ ರಾಣಿ ದಂಪತಿಯ ಪುತ್ರರಾಗಿ ಅಲಹಾಬಾದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರೂರವರು 1889 ನವೆಂಬರ್ 14ರಂದು ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ರವರಿಗೆ ಚಾಚಾ ನೆಹರು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ರವರಿಗೆ ಕಮಲಾ ಕೌಲ್ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿವಾಹವಾಯಿತು. ಹಾಗೆ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ರವರು ನೆಹರೂರವರ ಏಕೈಕ ಪುತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
बच्चे समाज और घर की रोशनी होते हैं. बच्चों का उत्तरदायित्व होता है कि माता पिता के मार्गदर्शन में चले और माता पिता सम्मान और पाठशाला में जो पढ़ाए गए अध्यापक होते हैं उनका भी नाम उन्नति पर ले जाने का दायित्व जितना समाज पर है, जितना माता पिता पर है, उतना बच्चों पर भी है। सो इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं बच्चों के साथ इतना कह सकती हूँ कि बच्चे भी आगे जाकर नव निर्माण करने का प्रयास करें। जय।
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir.
And now let us have a look at the participants of dance and mandala art competition.
ಮಾನಕ್ತೀಯ ಹಿಂದ್ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಲ್ತೀಯ ನಿನ್ನೂ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಲ್ಪಾಗೋಯ್ತು.
So, are you all eagerly waiting for the special gift from your teachers? Yes, right? Here it is. Have a look at it.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to all.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
मेरे प्रिय बच्चों, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं।
Wish you happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯ.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, children.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Dear children, Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
We have reached to the end of the program. I request Mrs. Geeta K to present vote of thanks.
Respected Principal Sir and my dear colleagues, on behalf of everyone, I would like to extend a special thank to our principal, management committee and respected parents for making this event a memorable day for us. Thank you and I wish you Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope this Children's Day helps us realize our motive towards the upliftment of our kids. Let's all work together to bring up the healthy generation. I wish you Happy Children's Day once again. Thank you one and all.